Entering the New Year's celebration, Nkauj made everyone's heads turn.
Oh, 들어가네. 저거.
The shadows lengthened. The games were about to start when at the edge of the clearing, a tall, handsome, young man appeared.
신나워.
Nkauj made her way to the front of the crowd. She now begins to play his game. The young man danced gracefully as he played. Nkauj watched gracefully. She was delighted by the sound of the instrument. Then their eyes met, and melodies of the game encircled her like a tender embrace. All the girls screamed and fought each other to stand in the line. Having a feeling that she's going to be picked, Nkauj stood in the line beautifully. As she now was walking past the girls, he looked for Nkauj. Not seeing her in line, he sees that maybe Nkauj is the most suitable for him to ball toss. He started to approach Nkauj, but suddenly from the corner of his eyes, he sees Nkauj standing behind the crowd. The crowd started murmuring as she now rejected Nkauj. She was furious and angry. Nkauj accepted Shina's offer. They ball tossed and gazed at each other with amazement and passionate love in their eyes. Amazed by her look, Shina was speechless throughout the whole ball toss, leaving Nkauj to be very shy. Nkauj handed Shina the ball and thanked him for a wonderful time. Walking towards the exit, Nkauj sees stepmom and Nkauj ready to leave too. Scared of getting caught, Nkauj ran out of the festival as fast as she can.
TouChao,
In a hurry, Nkauj turned around and took a quick glance back at Shina. She screamed out to him, saying she was sorry. When she turned back to face the path, she ran into a tree branch and her hat fell. Knowing that if she went back for her hat, she wouldn't be able to beat stepmom and Nkauj home, she left her hat behind and kept running. Knowing that he'll never be able to catch up to Nkauj, Shina stopped chasing her. Not far from him was Nkauj hat. He walked up the little path and picked up the hat.